If you're missing Messages app on your Android smartphone and you're struggling with sending or even receiving direct messages, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Messages app on your Android smartphone. If this video will help, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, so the good thing is if you are on Android smartphone, then we have an app called Google Messages and you can get this through Google Play Store. So you need to go ahead and find Google Play Store here. And once you are on Play Store, go ahead and log in with your Gmail and then go to the search bar here and tap on it to search for Messages. So I'll just go ahead and tap on Messages like this. Just go ahead and proceed on search, or you can just tap on this Messages app and you'll be taken to this page. So here you need to be careful. You might confuse Messengers with Google Messages app. So this Messages is for Facebook. However, we want the Messages app that you can usually use to send text or receive text. So this is the right app. You can see it here. Make sure it is from Google LLC. And at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.6 with over 40 million reviews. And currently it has been downloaded over 10 billion times. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right Google Messages app. From here, go ahead and install. So for my case, I already have it installed on my smartphone, so I have no need to install it. Now, once you have installed it, you can go ahead and now open to start using. And this will allow you even to text and receive text when you are even offline. So that's how you can install the right Google Messages app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.